This is Max Williams with United Real Estate, and today I'm in Henrico County. More specifically, I am off the Broad Street corridor in the near West End. Today we're going to take a look at a 4-bedroom, 2 full and 1/2 bath home. This home is in a subdivision built in the early 50s. You can see we've got several Cape style homes. This is an unusual location. If you look directly in the middle of the frame between the 2 brick buildings, you'll see a light blue sign, and that is an Aldi. And I point that out because it is extremely rare here in this area to be within walking distance of a grocery store. Of course, most people here in Central Virginia have vehicles, but there are people that come in from out of town, people that have lived in major metropolitan areas where walkability is a very important concern. I didn't realize this until I got into real estate and I had people contact me and say, hey Max, I need someplace that's very walkable where I can get to grocery, retail, shopping within a very easy Uber drive or bike ride or walk. And so this is a very unusual location. We also have a Home Depot that is walking distance, Burlington Coat Factory, Goodwill, and other restaurants that are just a very short walk or bike ride away. This is a renovated home, and this home was actually had an addition put on. And I know it was an addition, number one, because inside I can tell. Number two, if we look at the foundation, that is an older brickwork than here to the right. And this is our line right there. That's where the addition occurred, and you can of course see where the roof line changes. So when we go inside, I'll point that out to you. That's very common here in Metro Richmond to see homes that have additions. One of the unique things about this property is we have a full-blown workshop back here with electricity. This is the second workshop that we've seen here in the past couple weeks. A lot of people love this idea of a workshop because if you are handy, you can come out and do what you want to do. It also can double as just simple storage. You of course see the electrical outlets. We do have lighting here, and the workbench is right here to the left. So all types of possibilities. Some of my younger viewers have no idea what that is. That is actually a landline phone jack. So you would actually plug a telephone in. Can you believe that? You would actually plug a telephone into the wall and you could talk here from your workshop to the rest of the world. Just incredible technology. Okay, here on the rest of the backyard, we can see we are fenced and we've got a deck here. I love this deck because we have a composite material. This composite material, I've talked about it before. It is a plastic composite, and it actually is extremely durable. You won't ever have to paint it, worry about it chipping, warping, needing stain, or any other type of maintenance. So it's a really good, durable product. Decks are notorious for needing maintenance over time because, of course, they're exposed all year round to the water, the sun, snow, the elements. And that material will save you a bunch of time, energy, and money. Okay, we are on the side of the house here. This home does have a dimensional roof, so you should have good long life left on it. And this is coming in below our average sales price here in the Metro Richmond area. So I like to show homes that are in great condition, renovated, that are still budget friendly. We have a big country porch here, plenty of space for your rocking chairs on both sides. We even have hardware here for a swing. So your swing could be mounted right there. It'd be a nice place to spend a nice afternoon relaxing. Let's go on in and take a look. Okay, we've got color in here. We enter to the family room. We have recessed lights, LVP on the floor, and then here to the right is our staircase going up. I think we're going to go up first and then come back down and take a look and see what's on the rest of our first floor. Okay, as we get to the top of the stairs here to the right, this is going to be bedroom number 1. We've got a nice high knee wall. We can use the vast majority of this space without bumping our head, so this would be even a good bedroom for an adult. we have a junior walk-in closet. The reason I say junior is because I'm not able to walk in, but a 5-year-old would be able to walk in there and utilize that walk-in closet, the junior walk-in closet. To the right is going to be our renovated 3/4 bath. And this is really neat because we have that gorgeous stand-up shower there in the corner. Tile on the floor, tile on the walls in there, and just a really neat look. We have the vessel sink, nice modern styling. Here to the right is going to be bedroom number 2. And this is going to be about the same size as the first bedroom. Got replacement windows on this home, of course. Central heat, central air, and it is conditioned by a heat pump. Our heat pump is right here. Okay, actually, correction. This is a gas furnace. And the reason I know it's a gas furnace, this flue is the giveaway. That's for our exhaust. And our gas line is right here on the side. That is actually the gas line right here. So that is a gas furnace. Here to the right is our closet up here in this second bedroom. Okay, LVP, of course, throughout the second and the first floor. Let's go back downstairs and see what we have here in the remainder of the home. Okay, as we go straight through, this is going to be our kitchen area to the left. We've got beautiful 42-inch cabinets, granite countertop, smooth top, stainless range, microwave, and Frigidaire refrigerator with ice and water in the door. Your dinette, of course, would go right there in the middle of the frame. And then we have an opening to the sunroom, which is a really neat space. Very bright back here. When I first came in, I was wondering if there were sliders here, but this is completely open. So they put, of course, the curtains here, but a very bright space back here. This is a really neat space if you want to sit back and have a second area that is just full of light. Once again, we're open here to the deck, so it'd be a great place for entertaining. And these windows actually will slide open, so you can just get a nice breeze here in this home. This space is a bedroom. This is our downstairs, one of our 2 downstairs bedrooms, and they actually put a half bath right here. Now, if somebody needed to work from home, this would actually double as a great home office because you'd have the bathroom right there. It's kind of off the main part of the house. We do have a closet, so it is a legitimate bedroom, but you could purpose it, of course, as you needed. You'd still have a window. We've got recessed lights as well. This, of course, is part of the addition that I showed you outside. The original home was right here. This was our original wall, and so we are standing in the addition section as well. Okay, as we go to the left, this is going to be our downstairs hallway. To the right is our coat closet. And then directly behind me is going to be our full bath down here. And it's really nicely appointed. They've got a pedestal sink in place, ceramic tile on the floor. Nice tile work here surrounding the entire tub shower area. And we have a mirror here. Boy, this mirror here would make Liberace proud. You've got all kind of bling there on that mirror, and many of you probably have no idea even who Liberace is, so I'm kind of dating myself. Here to the left, this is originally built as a bedroom. They have repurposed it as a laundry room or storage. You could actually put a folding table if you wanted to put lockers in here, shelving in here. We've got our hookup right there for washer and dryer. And of course, we've got a large electric water heater here as well. So this has been repurposed as a utility / storage room. So this home has no shortage of storage. You could do a lot here with this space. If you wanted to make it a craft room, you could do that as well. Just plenty of options. This is going to be our fourth and final bedroom. We are now on the front of the home. Good natural light flows in here, and our closet is right here behind me. Nice and convenient. Interest rates are ticking down, so we are definitely happy about that. If you are interested in purchasing, there's also 100% financing available. Grant money is still available as well. So there's no time like the present. If you were thinking about making that move, make sure you start early in your process. Give me a call. I'll point you in the right direction and be happy to get you on the way to realizing your dream of home ownership. Special thanks to Cindy Hoon, the listing agent for this property, is kind enough to let us come in and take a look. Max Williams, 804-402-7788. You can reach on Facebook, under Richmond Area Foreclosures on YouTube, under my name, Max Williams Realtor. Please be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks so much for taking the tour. Y'all be safe. Have a great day.